Hi there, this is Hacker2K from FURIOUSTEAM. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to flash Orange Klif running Firefox OS. As usual, we have here one sample. It's powered off right now. So I'm going to the software, and from the models list I'm going to select Orange Klif. This model is also known as Alcatel OT-4022. I'm going to check right factory firmware, and I'm going to select one flash file downloaded from the support. Flash file has been loaded. Then I'm going to press connect, and we are going to attach the USB cable to the powered off phone. If everything is okay, the phone gets detected. The flashing process started right now. As you can see, the flashing goes very fast as it's running over the USB, plus the firmware is not so big. This is one nice phone, has some decent specs for what it offers. We also have one video tutorial showing you how to unlock it. As you can see, the software is running on Windows 10 perfectly, same as it does on Windows 7 or 8, just that most of the users have problems installing the drivers. So that was all. Only 1 minute and 17 seconds to flash this phone. So now the phone is starting. You can see the Fox from the Firefox OS. It will take some time for the phone to initialize. Okay, the phone is starting. You can see the logo from the original operator, but we can flash the phone with any other firmware from the support area, so we can change it. So we are on the configuration screen. Phone is running perfectly. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Bye bye.